What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catamize coming at you. Got a pair of Nike Roshe ones, all gray and white. Of course, about to work my magic on these and do a custom. So they're gonna be a very special shoe for someone special. And of course, I'm gonna tighten up. They're gonna be a Titan custom. So it shouldn't be too hard for me to do since I've done this before. So yeah, stay tuned for the finished product. Nike Roshe 1, Tennessee Titan custom, coming soon. Bam. Back, finished product, Nike Roshes, Tennessee Titans, of course. Like I said, I was doing these for a special person, but go ahead and give you an all the way around look at these. Again, this colorway is to match our new jerseys with the gray, red, baby blue, navy blue, and white. So of course I went with the baby blue outside. It's my favorite color. And as you've seen, these were gray, so the gray came in handy as far as the sock liner and everything like that, leaving it how it was. Got number 25 on the back, Adoree Jackson. These are for his dad or him, I don't know. His dad asked me to do it for him, so pretty sure these for his pops, but there's gonna be more to come as well. Split down the middle, baby blue, navy blue. Got the red threads on the back, since red is the least color that's on the jersey. Again, on the other side, the number 25 in red. Baby blue outside, come around. As you see, the fireball. One thing I noticed, I need to work on my flames, but of course, nobody pays attention to that because they just look at the picture. They see the fireball, Tennessee Titans, so they know what's up. But me, I'm a fan, so I know what I'm doing and what I'm getting myself into. But it really doesn't matter about the flames because painting on fabric, straight lines and everything like that just is so hard. And then to get the paint to set up right and everything like that. So again, on the front part, left that gray, but went with red Nike checks and red threads to bring out the red that's on the Titans logo, which is on the stars and the fireball, which is on the flag. And then again, like I said, the shoe was gray, so I chose to leave the sock liner gray because that brings out the shoe as well as far as part of the jersey, because the part of the jersey that's gray is the sword, and I think that's the only part. Oh, and the tee is gray too, but I didn't paint the gray on the tee because it throws it off. But pull this down, the inside it's navy blue. It looks a little darker. It looks black, but it's navy blue. Just, I don't know why that paint, it always dries darker than what it's supposed to be, but when I mix my paint, I always add some white in there to twist it up so it'll be my own little twist to it. Pretty good. It came out pretty good. Of course, it can always be better. Got the inside painted, of course. It can always be better, but I'm satisfied. I love the way they look, and the main reason is because I hand paint out on airbrush like most people that customize shoes. So I'm satisfied with the finished product, and I'm pretty sure Adoree's dad will be also, and I hope he'll like them and get a pair for himself. But finished product turned out pretty good. Tighten up, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.